gonna fucking whatever you want to punch people with, because we're going right to them.
Speaking of punches.
There is no obligation for the universe to make sense to you.
It is not my
I will say,
see to matters personally.
if it's good,
I will see them done.
the Reaper is optimal, in my opinion.
Yeah, I agree.
I just had 2 terrible games with him in a row, but now.
No, it's fine. No,
No,
it's fine.
I hate his lifesteal.
You teleport to that one. I don't want it.
He just wrecks the tanks for sure, and if we're brawling, that's the goal. Get rid of the
Yeah,
tanks.
it's so annoying.
Precisely.
Doomfist just like pushes them back.
Precisely.
You're so
Fucking Malice.
Upstairs.
Try to keep yourselves in one piece. Hold on, get.
Let's push
Alright,
left,
we
push
need
go
to
left,
can
go
we
left,
go
go left, go left, go left.
Okay.
And then TP right, TP right, TP right. They're giving us a free path. Free path. In, we're in.
They have a bastion.
Bastion set up. Don't let that bastion set up. Push in,
Go
push in,
top,
push
can
in.
we go top?
I'm pushing in, I'm pushing on the bastion.
I'm getting killed by Farah.
Bastion, I'm shifting the... Lamp.
Mercy down.
Play the corner.
That's one, we're up two. Kill lamp.
Bastion
kill lamp.
low, bastion low.
Oh shit,
She got ult fast.
Very fast.
We have no one to deal with Farah. I'll
I'm
switch.
switching to Ryan.
We did get 2 ticks, so that's nice.
They have
Are we
speakers
all
on
here?
the wall.
Yep.
Sorry, yes.
Someone top right.
Yeah, let's push them all top right. Go top. Top.
Jesus Christ. Tempted to play fucking Widow.
Top.
Okay, we're there. Alright, stay here. We're gonna let the shield recharge.
I'm dropping. I'm gonna go far side. Go far side. Far side. We're gonna go right above him. We're gonna poke.
I got pulled back.
So,
Get that Baptiste off high ground.
Farah's dead,
push,
Farah's dead.
push,
She's gonna rest, she's gonna rest.
I'm top.
Yeah, I'm down.
I'm down as well.
Fuck. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, with this much spam, I can't survive too much.
Run, Giles, just run.
I'm gonna switch to Sigma again.
Okay.
There is no obligation.
See if I can put a lot of pressure on this Widow or not. Let's see.
I'm
Entry
watching.
barrier.
Activating the barrier. Back to me.
Bastion set up in main. I can't hold my shield up too long.
You're alone, Brent. Just gonna make it.
This Farah sucks.
Sigma's from
Farah one.
Field out for you.
Mercy's low.
Donna.
Bear one.
Bastion's asleep.
Widow weak. Or
Get this Bastion, please.
I'm down. I have
Mercy
4.
one. Mercy
Mercy
one.
Bastion's
one.
done.
God damn it. Gotta focus me. I keep getting them one shot and they just don't die. That's literally the Farah carrying.
Stardust to stardust.
Do you want a damage boost so that...
We just need me and Falco to focus the Widow or not Widow.
Farah,
Farah or Mercy.
The Zen should help. We have time for maybe two pushes. Take high ground. Push him off. Sim's low. Shields up.
He's
Nice,
dead, he's dead.
We got a pick.
Farah right behind you guys, Farah behind you guys. GG Farah.
Jesus.
One person carry.
Got one more push.
music. It's playing
Spawn right
again.
there.
Alright, we
So
have
don't go out
grab.
of the spawner.
We have grav. Attack visor.
But I'm being staggered bad.
It's okay. We have time for one last push. Last group, we have sights, Baptiste Hall, and close to Sigma ult. What we can do is we can grab and then clean up with Sigma ult, then you can attack visor. Nice pick,
Oh,
huge
that's-
pick,
yep.
huge pick. My shield's
They're
breaking.
gonna res. They're just gonna
Shield's
res.
breaking, shield's breaking.
Mercy, you can't.
Push right.
I'm coming in with grav.
Okay. Here's up top.
I'm ready.
She's weak. Mercy weak.
I'm shifting it.
Sigma behind.
Nice. Sigma. Nice. Baptiste main. Nice, good take. Lamp. Push that Sigma. Nice. The Baptiste.
Bap, her
Bap
fashion
down.
setting up.
Bastion's left room. I'm not gonna, we shouldn't push too far. It might be high ground. I don't know where the
Barra
Bastion
one.
is. Let's go top.
Observe the barrier.
Back up.
Falco, you're way ahead.
Bear's top right.
I'll go with the tanks.
Baptiste drops. I'm gonna.
Split a lot. Sig, you're alone.
Okay, backing up.
Sigma's here. Sigma.
I'm down. Down main tank. Is it down 2? Is it down 3? Yeah, back out. Just you, Falco, and DLS.
Yeah.
Just you, Falco.
I backed out. This is shitty.
It's kind of on us, Falco, to be honest.
I don't know how else to play better. I'm trying.
Literally just look in the sky.
Let's take high ground from him. Bastion's right on payload. I'm gonna shift him. Shifted.
They're both weak.
He's stunned,
At least
he's
half.
Can't heal you through shields.
Barra weak.
Ulting.
Fucking god damn it, man.
Bastion's low.
Nice job,
Lamp.
Fuck.
Is it down? Even.
I just don't understand.
Actually, down. Down 1. Just you, Falco.
The equations were correct. The problem must lie elsewhere.
No one's there.
Bear's top left. Bastion in front with a Sigma. Pushing them. Sigma's half. Bastion shifted. Nice. New grenade. Nice nade. Lamp. Push Mercy left side. Mercy no shift. Mercy trying to res.
Mercy raise.
Bastion's done. Bastion's purple. Bastion down. Sigma alone. Sigma low.
Still trying.
Mercy.
Oh my god, really? Like, how fucking long can Orisa stand there and shoot at me?
Can we get that Sigma?
Versus down, nice mouse.
I'm up top. I got grav.
Okay. Whenever.
Barra's gonna.
Alright, right now. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
Barra behind one.
Bastion's up top.
Nice, Angel.
Choose up. To the Bastion, please.
Sigma, he's purple.
Ash is down.
Ball.
Person, then Bap.
Mercy. I have Sigma soon. Bubble.
I'm on the point.
Ball.
Ball.
I'm working on it.
Bear's main. My shield's broken. I have Sigma in this fight. Great take. You're sticking with the Bastion. I got your barrier. Redemption. Bear's top left. Ready to engage the Bastion. My shield's broken.
Need a heal.
Where's up?
Shields up.
There.
Push Sebastian, push Sebastian. Lamp, 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 lamp. Lamp,
I'm
kill,
dead.
lamp, 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 lamp. Lamp down, lamp down. Nice, nice, nice. Push in, push in, push in, push in. Push in, to the sig. Mercy, 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 mercy. Mercy one, mercy one.
There.
Mercy down.
Nice, 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 nice.
Where's top?
Bap coming behind you.
Where's Bap? Where's Bap? Where's Bap?
I'm help back.
I'm with you, I'm with you. I got your shield, I got your shield. Lamp, 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 lamp. I'm not with you, Zarya.
Coming
You're
down.
alone, you're alone.
Aristo had like
I see
super
Aristo.
weak.
Pharaoh, they're all on you,
Trying
Zarya.
to get me. I'm coming back with Grav.
Baptiste
I'm
left.
trying to go for Mercy. Mercy one, Mercy one.
Sigma one, Sigma one, Sigma.
Mercy. We got a final
They
point.
res Bap. They res Bap.
Back to sleep.
For that Mercy.
Ours is purple.
Big purple.
I'm down, I'm down. You guys are down main tank.
Winnable.
Jarisa's asleep.
I'm sorry, I woke her up.
Doomfist hack.
I can't believe that motherfucking bullshit.
I don't think it's winnable. Oh, there it is. Doom, doom, doom.
Almost back, almost back.
Mercy.
Fair, good.
Keep you up, keep it up, keep it up.
Arisa one, Arisa lamp. Fuck.
Heals are down, heals are down.
Just trying to destroy bongos.
That was not a fun game.
Play of the game.
Man, look at this. Look how cool.